Yes, I want to show you how to use Claude AI. Okay, Claude AI is very effective, but first of all, let's see our data how it looks. Okay, so we have organization name, we have organization tree, A, B, C. Then we have different types of activities. We have different types of organization types. Some are national, UN agencies, and international. We have activities. Then we have the amount of boys, girls, adults, male, adult, female that they are reaching out. Okay, and this is a good data for this practice. It could be any other data you have. Okay, this is just for the purpose of learning. Now what I have done is simple. I have come to Claude AI here, and I have just come here, open Claude AI. I'll put this link at the comment or at the description section. Just come here, you find this small, and plus you have different things. Here is just to add files or photos. Okay, so I had to click this to add my files, make sure it is already saved on your physical machine. And then here I said create a good dashboard using this XLMX file attached. Use pie chart, bar chart, column charts. Also use cards to summarize total boys, total girls, and total adults. And then all I'll do is I'll just send that prompt. Okay, I have just submitted that prompt. Let's see how Claude AI is going to perform this task. And as you see, or as you know by watching this, I'm not doing anything. So you see that Claude AI is examining the file structure for the dashboard visualization design. And Claude AI is free, but they'll give you some certain level of credit. When you finish that, you can go up here and upgrade the plan. Okay, but Claude AI is very, very good. I tell you this, it's so good. Read the Excel file from front end. Okay, so it's analyzing the file, going through the file, and rearranging the file. So these are tasks that you were supposed to be doing, but Claude AI has the capacity to go in there and begin to analyze that file and begin to bring insight, make sense out of that data. So it might take a while for this to get completed. Okay, it is not aggregated beneficiary data and architected multi-chart dashboard visualizations. Okay, you could see for yourself. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so you see what's happening there. So Cloud AI is already giving you it's already giving us some visuals. You see how effective Cloud AI can be. Okay, so you see that is because I specified just three kinds of chart: bar chart, pie chart, and column chart. I think you see that's it. That's how powerful it is. You see, so Claude AI is this powerful. So it gives me. I said you should summarize using cards. If you have been using Power BI, these are our cards up here. And then here now, I can just go again and prompt and say, please, I need levels, add levels, okay? Add levels, okay? Now, one powerful thing with AI is that you need to first of all understand the skill and understand what you're doing first before you can prompt AI successfully. Okay, had it been I didn't know first of all in the background, need to understand what is data analysis, what is visualization, what does it entail to create a dashboard. Okay, I'll not really know and understand what I'll be asking AI to do for me. Now I know that just this data alone is not really complete. Okay, now I need to add some data levels, okay, to make it look clean, make it look clearer. Somebody can see exactly and begin to understand what this data is saying and what is really happening in terms of insight. You see that Claude AI is doing its job. You know, I think I've been using Claude AI for some days now, and my credit is almost finished. You see, that is it. It brings me all the data labels. I asked for pie chart, I asked for bar chart, and I asked for column chart. So that's it. That's it. You see, I asked for column chart, pie chart, and bar chart, and that is it, guys. So here now, somebody is asking, what do we do with this? Of course, you can copy this. Okay, you can copy this. If I come to my dashboard, I can download this. Okay, once I download this, I can remove this from this space. Okay, you see, and then it comes to my browser here. I can open it on a different browser, and I can share this through a link, and somebody can see and then begin to understand what it's all about. You see, this is powerful, guys. This is so powerful. Yeah, this is so powerful. Yeah, so I recommend you to start using Claude AI. It's very, very important.